I'm sure there's someone you like, you wish would think about you, but you're not sure how to make that happen. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 simple proven psychology tricks that gently make people think about you again and again. Think about the people you naturally enjoy being around. They're probably connected in your mind with something positive. Maybe they make you laugh. Maybe they always bring good energy. That's no accident. Your brain creates emotional shortcuts, linking people to the feelings they trigger. So when someone makes you feel good, your mind naturally wants more of them. And the best part? You can do it too. And it's actually very simple. All you have to do is be the person who makes them feel good. Laugh at their jokes. Ask for their opinion. Tell them they're smart. Make them feel heard. Make them feel seen. Do that consistently, and you won't just be liked. You'll be remembered. Share something personal. Talk about your passions, your goals, even your struggles. But hold a few details back. This creates curiosity. It makes people want to know more. The biggest mistake? Being too available. Don't constantly message. Don't force conversations. Focus on your life, not on them. Because space makes room for curiosity. If you're always there, there's nothing to miss. But if you're not, they start wondering where you are. Here are a few extra things that make people feel more connected to you. Show kindness and empathy. And if they love something, love it with them. That's what real connection looks like. And that's what makes people think about you long after you're gone. But above all, be real. Be you. You don't need to play games or use tricks. You just need to show up as your best self. And let that speak. Because when you're honest, confident, and kind, you won't just be remembered, you'll be unforgettable.